Hello, everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to host an image from Google Drive. If you've ever tried to share an image online, whether it's a breathtaking photo from your recent vacation or a crucial image for your blog or website, you know how important it is to have that image hosted properly. Hosting images online ensures that they are always available for viewing, and it can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, because today we're going to simplify it for you with Google Drive. First, let's make sure you're all set up. Begin by signing into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you can do so by typing Google Drive into your browser's address bar and hitting Enter. This should take you straight to the Google Drive interface. Once there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders neatly organized. Even if you're new to Google Drive, you'll find the layout to be quite intuitive and easy to navigate. Next, it's time to locate the image you want to host. If you've already uploaded it to your Drive, you can simply scroll through your files to find it. For a quicker search, you can use the search bar at the top by typing the name of the image. Once you find your image, click on it to select it. This will highlight the file, and you'll notice a range of options appear for sharing and managing your file. With your image selected, look towards the top of the page and click on the gold-colored share icon. It looks like a small figure with a plus sign. Clicking this icon will open the share settings for your image, where we'll adjust the permissions to make it publicly accessible. By default, most files in Google Drive are set to restricted, meaning only you or specific people you've shared the file with can view it. To change this, click on Restricted, which will open up additional sharing options. From the new menu, choose Anyone with the link. This adjustment allows anyone who has the link to view your image, thus making it publicly accessible. After setting the permissions to anyone with the link, it's time to copy the link for your image. Click on Copy Link, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now share this link wherever you need to. To make this link more web-ready, we'll use a service called Girl.com. Open a new tab in your browser and type in Girl.com to access the site. Once the page loads, paste the link you copied from Google Drive into the URL box on the Girl site. Click Create Permalink, and in just a few seconds, you'll receive a new link that directly hosts your image. This new link is perfect for embedding into emails or websites, as it provides a direct path to your visual content. Lastly, if you ever need a local copy or want to ensure the link works correctly, click on Download. This confirms that everything is set up properly and that your image is hosted just the way you want it. And there you have it, a straightforward method to host your images from Google Drive, making them easily accessible for whatever purposes you may need. Now, you can share your images confidently and widely, knowing they are properly hosted and ready for the world to see. That's it for this tutorial on how to host an image from Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.